Sinibingelele futhi sinamukele emakhaya kulolu hlelo lwethu esinalo namhlanje lokuthi ke ake sithi ukuthi outline izinto ezithile politically. Igama lami ngu-SB Uqiniso kwaMtshali. Ngizoba nani nje just shortly with the president of the-African Economic Freedom ukuze sithi uku-outline nje izihlokwana ezithize sibe nolwazi olungcono mhlambe ngayo i-African Economic Freedom. Whatever sikhuluma ngayo njengamanje sazi ukuthi iqondene nje ne-African Economic Freedom ngqo futhi nalo lolu hlelo luhlelwe iyona i-African Economic Freedom. So yonke imibuzo izoqonda ke kuyona i-African Economic Freedom. Kukho konke sobe sikhuluma here ufaka ama-comments down below and also sikwazi ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto sonke esizoba nolwazi ngazo. Ngiyabonga, ake sikhona. Alright, siyanibingelela futhi sinamukele emakhaya nakho konke lapha nibukela khona. I-AEF le esikuyona siyakubingelela president.
Yebo.
Alright, upresident kunezinkulumo esizizwayo la kuma social medias avelayo maqondana ne-party oyiholayo African Economic Freedom. Kunokuthi nje hayi asisayiboni nanokuthi nabanye abathi kade bathi bayiyona sisizwa bathule. Isekhona yini African Economic Freedom iyaqhubeka kwenzakalani?
Noqiniso asiqale la ekuthenini mhlawumbe usuthinta izinto zabanengana. I-African Economic Freedom iqembu likhona and lisungulwe last year and lisekhona. Siyangenela nje ama-by-election singenelile oGwini lapha eMzumbe municipality what 11 sawangenela ama-by-election nala intubatuba ke azobe khona ama-by-election azoba mhla ka-4 December siwangenile okungisho lokho ukuthi ke i-African Economic Freedom ikhona.
Okay. President mhlawumbe okunye okuvelayo ngiyabonga mawukhuluma nje ngama-by-elections othi akhona. Ngikuzwa ubala uMzumbe uphinda ubala uthi what bani omunye okuyena Ntubatuba what 16 kunamahemhema akhulunywa kuthiwa hayi no le regional party. So ukhuluma ngama-by-elections abese KZN awaze kwenzeke ama-by-elections kwamanye ama-provinces. Last time sikhuluma nawe wathi i-African Economic Freedom ikhona wonke ama-provinces.
No, i-African Economic Freedom ikhona kuwo wonke ama-province kodwa ke la esingenele khona ama-by-election iswela khona sine branch khona because akusiza ukuthi siyongelela ama-by-election ku-Ward 4 ekubeni singenayo i-branch. I-National Executive Committee yathatha i-decision yokuthi lapho khona singenayo i-branch ngeke siwangenele ama-by-election because siwangenela la khona sine branch khona. eMzumbe sinayo i-branch, u-Ward 16 sinayo i-branch la eNtubatuba. So that's why siwangenele ama-by-election. But uthinta lento ethi ke i-African Economic Freedom i-regional. So i-African Economic Freedom ayikho regional. Sikhona KZN, sikhona e-Eastern Cape, sikhona eGauteng, sikhona eNorth West, sikhona eLimpopo, sikhona eFree State, sikhona eMpumalanga. Mhlawumbe awu2 ama-province okubukeka khona ke ingazuthi asikho kahle. It's only Western Cape ne Northern Cape. So yilapho kuphela mhlawumbe lama province awu2 engathi ke asikho kodwa ke kuma province of 7 sikhona.
Now ngiyabonga kakhulu upresident wayibeka nje iyacaca yabasobala. La president last time sike saxoxa nawe wasibekela ukuthi naba ne party khona iparty enaba ne memorandum of understanding and siyayibona le party iyaqhubeka ukuthiwa i-UAT. I think it comes from Gauteng, am I correct? Wena ula eKZN naba ne memorandum of understanding ukuthi nizosebenzisana after ukhetho. So ukhetho lube khona and just njengamanje buthini ubudlelwano benu with le memorandum of understanding owayisayina wena kanye ne-UAT?
Mhlawumbe qiniso asicacise la ngathi ama memorandum of understanding esasayina ne-UAT awu2. One before ukhetho sasayina memorandum of understanding yokuthi sizosebenzisana kuze kufike ukhetho.
Okay.
Then kuthe uma ngabe ke sesingasangeneli ukhetho ngenxa yama technicalities enzeka ebank asabe sakungenela ukhetho. Saphinde sasayina another memorandum of understanding yokuthi ke ngoba singenela ukhetho thina la kulama province kulama province I think awu5 ababe wangenela because nabo abekho ko wonke ama province bakuma province awu5 mangaphosisi iLimpopo iNorthwest iGauteng Free State neMpumalanga. So sayisithi ke kulawo ama province awu5 so sasayina memorandum of understanding also ngiyesibili esithi ke manje sizovotela bona kulawo ma province and lesagcina lesikwenzile ngoba even KZN sabavotela ngoba kwi ballot paper layer national sabavotela kwamanye ama ballot paper abantu sasithaba votela noma yini iqembu abalithandayo awu2 ka memorandum of understanding of which leyo qala yafofithwa ukuthi asangenele ukhetho then kwase kuba yesibili yokuthi sizobavotela. So ukubavotela sasithi for ngo2024 ngamanye amazwi nayo leyesibili yaphela ngomhla ka29 August umhla 29 May so kudlule ukhetho nayo yaphela ke lapho.
Okay. Uthi i-memorandum of understanding eyokuqala ongukuthi nithi nizosebenzisana after ukhetho. Am I correct?
Yes.
Eyesibili ithi nizovotelana noma nizovotela i-UAT. I wish to put you on the spot, President. Ukuthi you are the president of the African Economic Freedom, but you did not vote for African Economic Freedom.
It was not there in the ballot paper.
So waba neqiniso nje lokuthi uvotela enye organization.
Yes.
Okay. All right. When a president.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. After that, no, I wish to put you right on the spot because abantu asinayikhulumi into engathi sigwegweze ikhulume nje ithi ngqo. Usuthi ngomhla ka29 iyaphela memorandum of understanding. Yona iphike yaphela ngomhla ka29. Uthi nisebenzisana after ukhetho noma nithi nokuthi navotelana.
No, memorandum of understanding yokuthi sizobavotela ngomhla ka29 May.
Ngomhla 29 May.
Yes. Ngomhla 29 May sabavotela. Okushuthi ke vele sokuphelile kwethu nabo ngoba kwawukuthi sizovotela bona ngoba thina sasingekho kwi ballot paper. Sizovotela bona ngomhla ka29 yilokho kuphela sasivumelene ngakho.
Okay. After senibavotelile akukho yini enanivumelene ngakho ukuthi kuzokwenza ukuthi senibavotelile ke khona kupho kuzokwenzeka after senibavotelile akukho enavumelana ngakho.
No, ukuthi nje uma sesibavotelile then sophinde sibe ne-meeting just ubona ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. Then of which ke bathola isithi eyodwa then ke emva kalokho ke mhlawumbe ke ngicabanga ukuthi into enzeka lapha because sibange sabuye isihlangano. Ngicabanga ukuthi babe sebeqhubeka ke nama progressive parties la oma caucus nawo vele thina akukho vele sizokwenza nabo because bona bakhona eParliament thina sikho eParliament. I think yingakho ke sebeqhubeka ke nalabo abaqhubeka nabo.
President ukhuluma ngama progressive parties right now. Are you trying to tell me ukuthi you were going to be one of our progressive parties with the African Economic Freedom? Yayizoba ngomunye wama progressive parties. Should it was on the ballot paper if uma ukuthi yayikhona kwi ballot paper African Economic Freedom ngabe ingxenye yama progressive parties?
No, qiniso ngeke ngisho ukuthi sasizoba ingxenye ngoba nawo wonke lama parties kuhlala ama NEC decide. So nathi as the African Economic Freedom I think sasohlala phansi decide sibone ukuthi ke yini esiyenzayo because sasingekho yingakho ke singeke asikho na kwi GNU because asikho vele eParliament. So ngeke ke bese ngiprofessor ukuthi kwakuzokwenzakalani njenga after that. Kodwa sasohlala phansi neNEC sibuke zonke izinto ukuthi kwenza sibuka ama result okhetho sibuke nawo yonke into then bese sithatha i decision because i decision sasoyithatha base ukubuka ukuthi abantu bavote kanjani nanokubuka ukuthi abantu yini abayifunayo okwami ngasho lokho sasothatha i-decision base ekuthenini abantu bafunani ngoba abantu bakhuluma ngokuvota ukuthi yini abayidingayo sasiyobuka ke lapho ke.
Okay. No, mhlawumbe ukuphinde ngithinte nje la kuma progressive parties. I-UAT that when a president with the African Economic Freedom you signed a memorandum of understanding kanye naye. Kuze kufika lapho nihlanganaphi yini lena enza ukuthi wena ubone ukuthi cha wa identify ukuthi no i-UAT yona party engathi ngisebenza nayo going forward nihlangana kanjani because kuyacaka ukuthi nihlangane before ama elections njengoba ukuthi nayisayina before ama elections. How did you meet?
No, ukuhlangana kwethu kwakune prayer in fact yayi open kwakune prayer eyayi open I think say Middelburg. Heidelberg yes kwakune prayer I think yayi mhla ka 5 November I think it was 2023 yes so sa invite lapho we prayer saya iswe lapho khona I don't know noma ngizothi founder ye UAT but iLion of Judah because iUAT ibase kakhulu esontweni iLion of Judah ubaba uTawu uyena o-announce lapha na we pray ukuthi ke singehlulwa yini amaqembu la ukuthi awavele ahlangane avote ndawone akhiphe ngisho president kwavela kanjalo ukuhlangana kwethu because ngangikhona we pray wamenyezelwa iLion of Judah iswe lapho kwaqala khona engizakhumbula amaphathayi khona laphana kwakuyi NFP think UDM ATM nathi as African Economic Freedom sasikhona uZweli Mkhize he was there I think no ANC was invited because uZweli Mkhize was part of that prayer so yaqala lapho kwathi after that sabe sesithola ke invitation yokuthi ke asizoxoxa njengoba phela iLion of Judah yayithe sehlulwa yini ukuhlangana why sehlukana njengoba sikwazile ukuhlangana sakhuleka asiphinde sihlangane futhi silungiselele ukhetho well saphinde sa invitewa ke saya lapha I think amaqembu aye invitewe lapha and I think aye more than 8 amaqembu aye invitewe or more than 10 aye invitewe but amanye agcina ngafikanga engisabakhumbulayo njena ibona o UDM no ATM ne-EFF nayo kwathiwa invitewe noma ngakazifiki but wonke nje lamaqembu la namhlanje aseyibiza nge-progressive parties aye invitewe lapha noma amanye angafikanga amanye ayesenda ama-apology ke kwaze kwagcina lapho kwaphuma khona ke i-memorandum of understanding sesiyisayina ke ne-UAT.
Okay, meaning i-meeting eyabakhona emva kwalokho uthina nimenywe kuyi-prayer.
Yes.
Kwakuyi-prayer. Uyawabala amaqembu ayekhona NFP khona African Economic Freedom AF yayikhona in which UAT yayikhona ngithi lokungani prayer yenziwe at the center of EUAT njengoba usho ukuthi EUAT is based esontweni leli sonto eliholwa uyena ubaba uTawu uLion of Judah so he was the one proposing ukuthi akube nokuhlangana kwama parties so in which ke i-meeting eyasibizwa afterwards yayibizwa yiyo i-UAT am I correct Secretary General or
we-UAT
ebiza i-NFP ebiza i-AEF ebiza i-UDM ebiza i-ATM ebiza nguzo menshina ubaba uZweli Mkhize nabo bonke labo babemenywe bonke laba bantu kule meeting when ngesikhathi i-meeting seyenzeka esikwaziyo ukuthi it was AEF signing the memorandum of understanding with UAT lamanye amaqembu akuphi manje kuleyo memorandum of understanding as you are saying bonke babemenyiwe
no bagcina abakhombisanga interest ekugcineni bakhombisanga interest ekugcineni let's why kodwa sokuselethina nabo sobabili sesisayina kodwa uma usubuka uLion of Judah into ayisho yile igcina isiyenzeka manje because sokwakheka iGNU sokwakheka ama progressive parties but usiyabona ukuthi uLion of Judah he was correct lento ayishithi amaqembu awahlangana ama-African awahlangana I think because washo into exactly bayayenza manje noma sebenza ngokwehlukana kodwa iLand of Judah ilento ayisho ukuba amaqembu mina thatha ukuthi ke abantu abalida amaqembu abekho honest because umbuzo uthi why they end up now sekuzohlangana emva kokhetho because kwafanele ngabe lento siyenze njengoba sasivele uLand of Judah abanye babesenda ama-apology kwi-meeting but mina iLand of Judah I think yaprofet ngoba exactly okwenzakalayo manje yilokhu okwakushiwo iLand of Judah but today kuba sengazuthi manje i-MK e-invite abanye abantu so now i-MK manje sisi-invite asivala wethu no that is not true but this thing was started by Line of Judah through UAT.
Okay. Umenshina ukuthi i-MK ebukeka ngathi iyona invite amaqembu. What are you saying about the EFF? Ingabe yona ayidlali i-role ebalekile kule ama progressive parties lawa akhona ngoba angithi nayo i-EFF ikanye nayo umkhonto then bese kuba namanye amaqembu ngaphansi kwakhona. What are you saying about the EFF?
No, angifuni iqiniso la bese uthi khona ngizokusho nge-EFF because angithi yibo abakhe le progressive parties bakule caucus le yabo bahlangene ne-MK ndawonye so wonke lamaqembu alapha ne-UAT nayo ikhona khona lapha bonke bakhona lapha angifisi bese ngikhuluma ngeqembu elilodwa.
Okay. No president mhlambe asivale ngokuthi sibuke la hypothetically noma mhlambe singeze ukupinpoint amagama abantu abathile kuzwakala noma kubonakala engathi i-AEF after ama elections is losing members. Kuyinto ungasiqinisekisa lokho ukuthi kukhona abantu abahambayo kwi-African Economic Freedom kwenzakalani nge-African Economic Freedom kodwa nje sikuzwa engathi impela ngathi i-African Economic Freedom is losing a lot of members.
No qiniso i-African Economic Freedom akukho la besithi khona iloser ama members so far mina akukho la engathi khona nakho lapho iloser khona isilahlekelwa ama members is only thing eyenzeka ukuresign ka deputy president ajoyine i-UAT.
Okay,
so une right yakhe u-deputy president ukuthi ajoyine i-UAT. Well ngiyezwa sekuthiwa uhambe ne-constituency yakhe uhambe nabantu kodwa mina ngababoni labo bantu but engaqinisekisa u-deputy president owahambayo uyena ohambile wasibhalela incwadi formally. Well ke no chairperson wase-Gauteng I think uGideon Chabalala
okay,
naye ke uhambile yena ngasibhalela incwadi ngibone sengibone nje la kwi-media ukuthi naye uhambile uye kwi-UAT kodwa ke awekho lama members engathi mina cha nomunye nabanye nabo abahambile still ama members thina akhona sinawo uhamba uDeputy President wahamba uChairperson wase-Gauteng ngibona bo2 abahambile engakufakazi ukuthi bahambile uDeputy President usibhalela incwadi formally uChairperson akasibhalelanga incwadi kodwa phela uhambile because si-clear thina once wayo announce lapha ukuthi usukulela qembu noma ngabe usibhalelanga incwadi automatically awuseyona imember so noma kubhlungu uhamba kwakhe kuChairperson engasasitshelanga kodwa siyawemukela une right yokwenza njalo simfisela inhlanhla lapho eyakhona but iAfrican Economic Freedom is here to stay ayindawo. Okay. So isazohlala nje ilokhu ikhona uhamba kwabantu akusho ukuthi kuphela kweAfrican Economic Freedom because ayikho base ku-individual ijoyinwe abantu nase-Gauteng ijoyinwe abantu so ukuhamba kaChairperson ke hayi asisho lutho siyamkhulula nje sithi akahambe futhi asixabene sasubonana sihlangane mangifika nami eGauteng ngizomfonela ngithi hey Chavarala ngila so it's not a problem but it's not for the first time in fact but these things yenzeka kwipolitiki fanele sikunderstand ukuthi uma abantu bejoyina iqembu lakho kufanele ukulindele futhi ukuthi njengoba beshiyele la qembu bazojoyina wena nawe basazokushiya futhi so lokhu kufanele sikumukele kuyinto ehlala ikhona.
Hayi president benginembuzo eminingi impela kodwa usuvele wayicover yonke le nkulumo yakhe nje eyasekugcineni uzuvele wayicover nje yonke but ke kubabukele emakhaya asibonge nje ithuba lenu ukuthi nihlale nathi nilalele yonke le conversation esibe nayo kodwa ke siyafisa ukuthi uma kunanembuzo eminye sinayo mhlawumbe singayibuzanga la njengamanje kuma comment section lapha ngezansi ubhale ukuthi ikhona kuphi mhlawumbe ofisa ukwazi furthermore nge-African Economic Freedom mhlawumbe nakuyo president himself, you can send us imininingwane yethu ke yonke izovela khona la escreenini, sikwazi ukuthi ke sixhumane kunye nani balaleli emakhaya. Okwamanje asibambe khona la. Siyabonga president.
Hayi ngibonga kakhulu.